Sari stars, how are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram I have for you an exquisite collection of hand woven Kanchivaram silk sarees. With Pongal and Shankranti just round the corner, these are just perfect for your festivities. They are also perfect for the wedding season thereafter. So let's get started with these sarees. We begin with an absolutely elegant no zari Korvai Kanchivaram silk saree. This is an elegant Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of the sari has kodikattam in deep blue and white. The borders are Korvai borders and there are temples along the borders. The borders are in blue color. The deep blue pallu of the sari has Tayambu Rekar. The sari has a blue blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and you can accessorize it with lovely pearl jewelry. If you are someone who loves Kattam Kanjivarams, this one is sure to delight you. This is a Kattam Kanjivaram in a very rare combination. The body has Kattams or checks in different sizes and the colors are in a combination of beige, brown and blue. The gorgeous pallu of the sari is in brown and it has Sipareke in zari. The sari has a blouse fabric in brown. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize it with a lovely diamond necklace. Pretty pastel shades are an absolute visual delight. We have for you a threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in the loveliest pastel shades. The body of this lovely Kanjivaram silk sari is in a pastel lavender and there are stripes running along the length of the sari. The borders are with threadwork and the motifs are Pakshi motifs. The borders are in a combination of blue and pink. The pallu of the sari has threadwork and it follows the same color scheme as the borders. The sari has an elegant blouse fabric in cream and it has beautiful threadwork Pakshi motifs on it. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and you can accessorize it with some beaded jewelry that will give an absolutely sophisticated and charming look. Vairamusi is an absolute must-have in every Kanjivaram silk sari lover's wardrobe. We have a gorgeous, stunning Vairamusi for you in an absolutely beautiful pastel shade of blue. The body of this gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari is in a sublime, soothing, soft blue and the Vairamusi lines run along the length of the sari. There are small zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders of the sari are in zari and it has monkey motifs and there is a beautiful green selvage which provides a lovely contrast to the sari. The pallu is absolutely exquisite and it has grand zari motifs of pakshis, yanes, chariots and funky motifs. All this is done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with gold or diamond jewelry. This sari is perfect for bridal wear and special occasions. If you are looking for a classic festive Kanjivaram silk sari, then this one is just perfect for you. The body of the sari is in a deep Araku red and there are small Muttukattam all over the body of the sari. The borders have zari motifs here and the beautiful green selvage elevates the beauty of the sari. The pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful green blouse in the color of the selvage. You can accessorize it with a nice green attire. A simple yet classic Kanjivaram silk sari in an eternal combination of beige and red. You're sure to love this one. This is a subtle, elegant Kanjivaram silk sari in a shade of beige. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a zari stripe and a short red selvage. The pallu of the sari is in deep red and it has seepareke in zari. This pallu provides a beautiful contrast to the body. The sari has a red blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp attire. A gorgeous and festive Kattam Kanjivaram. This one is in shades of Araku and mustard. The body of the sari has all over Kattams or checks and the checks are in a combination of Araku and mustardish rust. The borders have red tapete zari Rudraksha borders and there is a beautiful short green selvage. This selvage provides a beautiful look to the sari. The short mustardish rust pallu of the sari has zari bands. The sari has a beautiful blouse fabric in the same short color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a short green blouse in the color of the selvage. You can accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. Mail Kazhuthu or the color of the peacock's neck is a rich color which is much sought after in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a beautiful Mail Kazhuthu thread work Kanjivaram silk sari for you. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely rich Mail Kazhuthu color and there are small threadwork buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have threadwork motifs and there is a beautiful purple selvage which highlights the beauty of the sari. The pallu of the sari is rich in threadwork and it has lovely Jadai Nagam and floral motifs all done in thread. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a lovely short purple. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. Our Kanjivaram silk saris are perfect for all kinds of occasions. They are just ideal for the wedding season that is coming up. To shop for our exquisite collection of Kanjivaram silk saris, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.